In today's video, I will show you how to change gender preference on Tinder. Tinder actually processed billions of swipes long before expanding its discovery system to be much more inclusive of diverse identities across the dating spectrum. Customizing who shows up in your daily deck ensures your matching feed aligns perfectly with exactly what you are looking for. To tailor your experience, open the Tinder app on your device. Next, go to your profile by tapping the profile icon located at the bottom right corner of your screen. From your profile view, tap the gear icon to open your account settings. Once inside the main configuration menu, scroll down until you reach the Discovery section and click on Interested in. Then, simply choose your preferred one from the list where you can choose up to two from the options to completely refresh your incoming Discovery stack. And that's it. That's how you change gender preference on Tinder.